Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to repair your streak on Duolingo. So, if you skipped one day or multiple days on Duolingo and you want to repair your streak, you have just to go to Duolingo. And it's easy to do that. So, here you should click on the fire icon on the top of the screen next to the language or to the topic that you are learning. Click on it, and as you can see now, you will find here the number of days practiced, and you will see if you have used any freeze here, and here you will see if you have 7 days streak shield. And this shield, of course, everything you will buy it with diamonds, and I will tell you after that how you can get diamonds for free and how you can buy them. So this 7 days streak shield, if you don't play game up to 7 days, if you have this shield, it will protect your game. And here, to know or to repair your streak, you should have streak freeze. So for example, I have one for free, and usually as much as you play Duolingo, they will give you streak freeze multiple ones for free. Of course, as long as you play, they will give you things like that. And also you can buy them. You can buy new ones with diamonds. And there is the shield that we was talking about too. And to buy or to have those streak freeze and shield, if you don't get them for free by playing the game, like I told you, you should buy them. And to buy them, you should have gems or diamonds. And you can get gems or diamonds for free by playing Duolingo. Every day you play, they will give you some amount, between 10 and 30 gems. Or you can buy them with money, 3,000 gems for $10. And I think that 7 days is already 3,000. So if you want to protect your streak, those are the methods. And if you want to also repair your streak, they are the same methods. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.